Hello, second graders. So today we are going to work on adding 4 numbers together. Okay, 4. And we're going to do 2-digit numbers. And maybe at the end, if you want to even do like 3-digit numbers, 4 different 3-digit numbers, whoo, that is a challenge. So the way I want to do this is kind of make a little bit of fun. So I scavenged the games in my house and I found exactly 1 die, which you probably have more than me. But I found 1 and it's got the numbers 1, I think it's got 1, nope, just 1 through 8 on there. So I'm going to go with this. Or you could use cards. I'll show you that one next. Okay. So I'm going to roll this a bunch of times to get some 4 2-digit numbers. So let's do, there's a 53. All right, so why don't you write it down with me? 53 plus 32. So far 3 is the favorite number. Plus 62. All right, one more. There's a 10. Plus 15. All right, plus 15. So if you remember, we had a couple strategies from yesterday. We can draw it with 10s and 1s. We can put all of our 10s together and then all of our 1s together and add those. Or we can do like the standard, it's called the standard algorithm, where you stack them on top of each other and carry if you need to. So for the first one, let's draw it out as 10s and 1s. So 53 would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 30 would have 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. 62 would have 6 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 15 would have 1 10. So let's see how many 10s we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. All right, let's put our 1s together. 3 plus, how many 1s are there? 2 plus 2. How many 1s are in 15? Yep, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Remember what I said about making them big enough and spacing them out enough that they don't get squished, so they don't just look like scribble marks. All right, let's see if we can combine any of those. We'll see if we can make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super. So let's put all of those together. So now we have 150 plus 10. What's that? 160 plus 2. So now we have 162. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Maybe we'll try cards. All right, let's make it a little fun. All right, let's do 53. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. I swear I did not stack that. Weird. All right, 53 plus, if the next one's a 32, I'm playing the lottery. Oh, tap. 97. Ooh, big number. Plus 97 plus, oh, throw that out. So the 10s don't count. 30, You can make up a number for queen. Let's make it a 0. It looks like a 0. 0. 30 plus, there's a 10 again. 80, there's 86. All right, plus 86. All right, this time let's try putting our 10s and our 1s together separately, but putting it in numbers. So 53 is just the 10s, 50, plus 97 is 90, plus 30 is still 30, plus 86 is 80. That, my friends, is a boatload of numbers. Let's check it out. So remember, for 50 plus 90, you can kind of do it as 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14, right? 14, we're going to put our 0 on the end. 14 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 17 plus 8. Ooh-wee. What do we get when we get 17 plus 8? Count up. 17. Count up 8 more, right? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it's 25. Holy moly, we're in a big number. But it's the 10s, so we're going to put a 0 on the end of it because it's actually 250. What? All right, we are not done. We got to go back and do our 1s. Let's go back to our 1s. 3 plus 97. How many 1s are there? 7 plus, how many 1s are in 30? There's none. So that's a 0. There weren't any 1s. It was just 10s. How about 1s in 86? Yes, just 6. All right, so let's put those together. 3 plus 7, friendly numbers, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Let's put 250 plus 16 together. I'm going to pretend that 16 is 10 plus 6. So 250 plus 10 would be 260 plus 6 more. 266. That was a tricky one, my friends. All right, so here's what I want you to know. If you want to just make up numbers, do 4 different numbers, you can. So let's say, blah, 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 blah. I can't find a die. Doesn't look fun anyway. I don't want to do cards because that doesn't sound fun either. Let's say, or I can't find them. Let's just say I want to make up some numbers. Totally fine. Let's just make up some numbers. So we can make up some numbers. So 23 plus 45 plus 39 plus 51. I can do that too. It is okay to make up some numbers. At the end of this, I want you to make up 6 different number problems to solve. So you can make them up using cards, you can do a die if you want, or you can just make them up willy-nilly. Totally fine. All right, let's try and solve one more problem together. This one I made up. So 23 plus 45 plus 39 plus 51. So we're adding 4 numbers together. Okay, so do we want to do it as base 10, adding the 10s and then the 1s like that? Or do we want to add it up as doing the 10s and then adding the 1s? Or if you want, you could do the standard algorithm where you stack them up and carry over. Yeah, I'm leaning this way too. I like to do the 10s and then the 1s together. All right, so 23, let's do 23 is 20 plus 45. That'll be 40. That's my 10s. 39. 30 plus 51. 50. So let's put those together. 20 plus 40, 60, plus 30, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yep. 90 plus 50, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. All right, don't forget about those ones. All right, 23. How many ones does it have? Yep, 3 plus 1's in 45. 5 plus, how many 1's in 39? 9, right? Plus, one more, 1. All right, if I look at this quickly, I can see 9 plus 1. Yeah, friendly numbers, 10. 10 plus, put these together, 3 plus 5, 8. 10 plus 8, 18. Let's put these together. 140 plus 18. Well, let me put my 10s together. 140 plus 10 more. 140 plus 10. 150 plus 8 more. 158. Well done, friends. All right, so remember, I'm going to have you do 6 more. Your choice. Whether you want to do a die, if you can find them, or 2 if you want to. It doesn't have to be my weird one. It can be the 1 through 6. You could do the cards, or you can make it up off the top of your head. Totally fine. But I want you to think up 6 more problems to write down on your new sheet of paper, and then you can send that in to your teacher, okay? Good job, friends.